Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. Happy New Year. I am so sorry I kind of dropped off with Vlogmas. I filmed a couple of more clips of our days, and then my daughter was off from school, Christmas, vacation, and I told myself I was going to enjoy time off with her, and I did do that, but I just didn't edit or film a whole lot more for Vlogmas. So I do apologize. I will include what footage I did get. We did go to Boston for the day one time. We saw the Grinch musical, which was so fun with family. We spent so much time playing games and with all of the Christmas items that we got. We played with friends and spent New Year's with them. It was just the best. But I do apologize that I did not get another couple of videos up for December. I know you guys know how it goes. It was really refreshing, honestly, to just allow myself to take the time with Sydney. I'm not gonna be taking down the tree probably, maybe, who knows. I don't know. If I bite off more than I can chew, then I get so that I am not motivated and I don't want to do it. So I think I'm just going to start little by little and take some things down. I've already done that over the last couple of days, just getting the house in order. My daughter went back to school. She only has a couple of days and then it's the weekend. So it's kind of nice to, like, you know, get back into the swing of things. Let's get our lives together. I will also insert whatever footage I filmed prior to Christmas. I will insert that now, and then we will get the house sorted. Sydney and I are on a little adventure today in Boston. What are we gonna go do today?
We are going to have some fun.
But what are we going to see?
We're going to be so fun. And I found it heads up. That means good luck.
We are going to see the Grinch musical in Boston today. We're going to be hanging out at the bus station for like an hour or so, waiting for my mom to come in, and then we're going to spend the day in Boston. Hopefully it's fun. I'm sure it is. We're getting a little bit hungry though. We might grab some breakfast. They have just a McDonald's thing and coffee. So we might grab some breakfast while we wait, and it did snow a little bit, so it was a beautiful drive this morning. We were up bright and early. All right, so we've got McMuffins. I haven't had one of these in forever. We got an egg McMuffin, the standard, the way that it comes with the bacon, and I got an egg McMuffin with no bacon. I haven't had one of these since I was a child. I also got an iced coffee. This is their sugar-free vanilla iced coffee. That was all of the footage I took on our Boston trip. It was a wonderful day. We went to lunch. We walked around a little bit. It was really, really cold, so we didn't do a whole lot in Boston. I would love to go back, go to the Science Museum. I haven't taken Sydney there yet. I've taken her to the aquarium, so maybe we will do another Boston trip soon. It's so easy to take the bus or the train. Anyway, bringing you back to getting my house reset. You can tell it was a good staycation because all I have are pajamas, t-shirts, lounge sweatpants. forgot Sydney put this underneath her pillow a while ago, and she named it Lucky. And she said, for good luck, what does it say? For good luck, be happy and have so much fun. Be good. And that has been underneath her pillow. What a sweet girl. Oh, my sweet girl. It's still obviously cold and winter, so I am not changing out her sheets. She's gonna keep, even though they're Christmassy, she's gonna keep these on because they are fleece and they keep her extra warm. All right, I've officially had enough of the housework, picking up, cleaning, etc. I'm over it, and I have the sheets. I did switch over the laundry. I have the sheets in the dryer at least, so that way I don't forget at bedtime when I need to go ahead and make the beds. I am getting very hungry for lunch and trying to figure out what's for dinner as well. I have, sorry about the clanging and banging. It's extremely windy today. It is going to happen. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what's for dinner. Of course, in the new year, I am craving all of the vegetables. I'm craving like light, fresh, healthy items. I am not dieting. You will not see me doing that in the new year whatsoever. That's what my body is craving, and I eat what my body is craving for the most part. So yeah, I'm just scouring Pinterest to see if there's anything that's inspiring. I do need to grab some groceries, but probably not going to do that today. I'm just trying to think ahead and make a list. It's actually been almost 2 weeks since I've gone grocery shopping. I went to Costco before Christmas, a few days before Christmas, and stocked up on a bunch of stuff. So we have been in a good place. I kind of want to do that this year. Do more of like a, if I can extend it 2 weeks, that would be awesome, and do a 2-week grocery haul at a time. The less frequently I have to go to the grocery store, I feel like the less I will spend. I've been stocking up on like oranges, apples, grapefruits, lemons and limes, things like that will last longer, and that's been able to get us through because we've had produce. Let's see. Lunch though. I need to figure out lunch. I really don't want this. It's just leftover plain pasta with peas. I don't want it, but I am trying not to waste food. And if I don't eat it now, I'm not gonna eat it tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna have for lunch. And then we'll think about dinner. enchilada skillet. Sounds delicious. I guess I better get to making some flour tortillas. I don't think I have any. This is just an easy recipe I found on Pinterest with flour tortillas. Very easy. 1.5 cups regular flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder. Give it a whisk. I'm gonna do avocado oil. You can do olive oil, vegetable oil. Actually, maybe not olive oil, something unflavored. I guess it depends on your preference. 3 tablespoons. So what's a good shape? Oh, Haley. Tortillas are made. Daughter picked up from school. And let me show you what I got myself for Christmas with my Amazon gift card. It came in the mail the other day, but I just went to the mailbox. I finally got myself some, are they called crew or ankle? They're not ankle socks. They're, well, I guess they're called ankle socks. The ones that are, you know, those ones. They're really the popular socks nowadays. And I figured I would get them because they would also help keep my ankles warm. I always wear 2 layers of socks in the wintertime because I run so cold all the time, and I figured these would help. So I just grabbed a 10-pack of socks for myself. But the main thing I got was this thermal window insulation curtain for my drafty windows. I only got one to start, and if it's good, I will do all of the downstairs. I have some glass sliding doors and windows over there that are just really drafty. They're old. I have tried the plastic 3M thing, and I'm just not good at installing it, and so I just thought I would get a more permanent thing that I can do every year. It's going to be a little bit more pricey, obviously, but if it works, then it's obviously worth it to keep the house warm and energy bill down. But apparently it has like a little Velcro strip, and it's basically a blanket for your window. I have high hopes, and I'm gonna go install it in my one window right now. It looks huge. I hope it fits. I hope I measured correctly. But I don't know. I'm very, very excited about it. I've taped rags up to prevent the draft. Come here. This is how drafty this is. Put your hand right here.
But
Do you feel? Okay, so I have it on and I think I'm gonna get some for the other window and the glass sliding door in Sydney's playroom. Measurement it's a little off. I couldn't find one that exactly fit this window size, but it is completely fine. I didn't undo the sticky because I don't want it to stick to my paint, but it is pretty well sealed in there. I'm not gonna lie, I am slightly concerned with how dark it's going to be in the living room since I do have a dark house already and I don't do well in the dark winters. So was this trial and error? Cindy wants to play a game. We are playing Rat-a-tat-cat. You shuffled?
The best game ever, if you can't see me.
She's excited. Okay.
No, Sam.
Time to peek.
Actually, no. 0 plus 0. Sorry, I got 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 plus 0 and 0 equals 3.
I got 15. Sydney won.
I got 3. Look.